Hi everyone, in today's video we are going to solve this question. But before starting the solution, like the video and if you are new on my channel, please subscribe it. Let's begin to solve the question. The question is, what is the area of this shaded region? What is the correct option? How can we solve this? From here to here, this length is A, and from here to here, this length is B. Then this will be also A and this will be also B. We can write 20 minus A is equal to 14 from here to here, and A is equal to 20 minus 14, so A is equal to 6. Now we can write A plus B is equal to 8, so B is equal to 8 minus A, and A is 6, so B is equal to 2. Now the required area will be equal to 10 multiplied by 2, and this is 20 centimeter square, and this is the correct option. Like the video, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.